Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a plan with me. I am using a kit that I have been meaning to use for quite a while since it came out and just have not done it because I had those other inserts and then I don't know why I didn't do it. So summer is almost over for me. School goes back in a couple of weeks, and so I was like, I need to get this done and use it before it is too late. So I don't have a lot going on today or this week, but I'm going to use this kit. I'm super excited. So let's show you the kit. It is a seam kit. It is the first seam kit that I've ever done, and I'm super excited about it. I just think it looks so like just fun and everything. So there's the boxes. You have the checklists, the date covers. This is supposed to be like sand. And this was also, I think, the first one that I did where it has the new 6th page. So, yeah. So now I need to, oh yeah. This one goes a little differently. Oh, that's great. There we go. So, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this yet. I don't want to use the whole thing. I think I only want to use like half. Let's just do like that. And then I will cut it across. If you want to know where these inserts are from, they are printable from Jessenius Printables, and then this is iridescent paper. It's like a pearlized paper. It's really pretty. I got it off Amazon, and I have a link down below. And yay for noisy people. I will clean this up off camera because it's just not gonna work right now. But yeah, it's just, I think it's really cute. Okay, I'm gonna cut this in 2 places because the rest of this goes on the other side. These printables are a little different. You kind of have to make things work. The seam kit was made for like the Happy Planner or the Erin Condren in mind, but I will make it work for my planner because I am on 2 different pages, or 3 pages really, because it's a week on 3 pages. And so it just will be a little bit different, but I think it'll look good. Actually, I know it will. If I didn't think it would look good, I wouldn't use it. So I'm probably going to fast forward, speed through a lot of this. I don't have a lot to talk about. Actually, I do have one thing before I say goodbye, or, before I hit the voiceover. I don't know what I'm trying to say. But I do want to tell you about the fact that I am doing an advent calendar. I've been going back and forth about it for a while now. I have another shop that is going to collaborate with me on a day of it. It'll be out September 1st, and then I will have, it's only going to be a 12-day advent calendar. This is not doing what I want it to do. I really need to buy a slice tool because this is not bueno. There we go. It's a little better. But like I was saying, it's going to be 12 days, so it's going to be up through New Year's Eve, and then 12 days before that. I don't know what day that is. It's what, the 12th? Duh. Then you will also get a freebie countdown, and it will have some kawaii items like and then some other like really cute stickers that have never been to the shop before. So I really think it's going to be fun. More details about that will be coming as it gets closer, like pricing and all that kind of stuff. But I'm really excited, and I hope you guys are too. So I think I'm going to do these. I think I'm going to do these and that one, and these can go on the other side. And I'm going to try to put them somewhere in the middle. So that they're kind of even. Oh, I meant to do my date headers because they're going to come down a little bit. Hold on. Sorry about the noise. So I'm going to speed through it. I'm just going to do the base stuff, and that's pretty much my week because I literally have nothing planned other than working. So yay for summer. here is my finished look. Spread. I decided to put the scene down at the bottom near the bottom washi because I just thought it would look really cute with the sky up here and the washi down here, and then I'll try to like keep it in theme. Like, I'm gonna try, but it may not happen, especially with the green and stuff. But there is that, and then this side, this tends not to get too much decorated just because it's like the part I don't normally show because it just is a running to-do list and stuff. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!